Hey guys, what's up? This is my first YouTube video. Hope you'll like it. Today I am going to show you how to install Cyanogenmod 11, that is KitKat, on Galaxy Young. Let's begin. First you'll have to boot into recovery. You switch it off. Hold down your volume up, home key and the pound key simultaneously. And make sure you're rooted and have a latest version of Clockwork mod. Here we go. This is the Clockwork mod recovery. What you'll have to do is, I recommend you backing up your system. Backup before we start. I've already backed up. Let's begin. Click on wipe data. Hit yes. Okay, it's done. Now click on wipe cache partition. Hit yes. It's done. Now go to advanced. Mount and storage. Mount the system and mount data. Go back. Click install zip from SD card. Choose zip from SD card. Here we go. These are the 3 files which I'll need to download. The link is in the description. First, install the Cyanogenmod 11. It will take a while. Yes, it's done. Okay, now again hit choose zip from SD card, and this time you're gonna install this PAGApps. Hit yes. The 4.4 has been already installed, you can see here. Yes, the installation is completed. Now third time again you are going to here, and this time you are going to flash the kernel. Hit yes. Yes, now you're all done. Hit go back and then reboot system. That's it guys, you have successfully installed Cyanogenmod 11. Here we go, the new Cyanogenmod 11. It will take a while to boot up. It takes much longer time, but it will successfully boot into 4.4 KitKat Cyanogenmod 11. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe.